Hi everyone. In this tutorial, we will show you how to send a document for e-signature. We will use an e-signature tool to quickly and securely sign documents. Whether we are handling contracts, agreements, or approvals, this process is fast and professional. On our browser, we will use DocuSign to sign documents electronically. On the dashboard, we click Get Signature or Sign a Document. We can click either of these or click Start to see the same options. We select Get Signature and upload the document we want signed. We simply browse and choose the file. In this example, we are using a PDF file. Once the file is uploaded, we enter the email of the person we want to send it to. We also enter their name. We can add more recipients if needed. Once we are done, we click the message field, type "Please sign," and then click Next field. Now we add the signature field. We can also add a date signed field, or place the signature field on the other side of the document. If needed, we can also request initials. When everything is ready, we click Send. The document has now been sent via email. That is how we send a document for signatures using DocuSign.